Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to go live on TikTok. To begin, you must meet a few key requirements. First, your account needs a minimum of 1,000 followers. Additionally, you need to be at least 16 years old to initiate a live broadcast. Meeting these criteria unlocks the exciting opportunity to engage directly with your audience in real time, fostering deeper connections and community. To ensure you can go live, confirm your follower count is at least 1,000. It is also essential to be a minimum of 16 years old. For those 18 and older, you can also receive virtual gifts from viewers. Always maintain good account standing by following community guidelines to avoid any restrictions on your live access. Once eligible, starting your live stream is straightforward. First, open the TikTok app and tap the plus icon located at the bottom center of your screen. Next, swipe right through the camera options until you find and select the live button. Before broadcasting, add an engaging title for your stream, then simply tap Go Live to start your real-time interaction with viewers. To make your live streams successful, focus on engagement. Actively interact with your audience by reading and responding to their comments and questions. Plan your content in advance to keep your viewers entertained and ensure a smooth flow. Remember to promote your upcoming live sessions on your profile and other platforms to attract more viewers and build anticipation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.